When it comes to condominiums, Toronto leads the way as the city with the most new condo developments in all of North America.
And as more buyers choose to live downtown, many are refusing to pay extra for parking spaces. But could a free ride change your mind? Here's Pat Foran with Consumer Alert.
It's another condo. We're really excited about B-Side that's going to be launching soon.
This Minto, West Side and B-Side condo development at Front and Bathurst is one of the latest in the downtown core. When potential buyers come into the showroom, many say they don't need a parking space.
We found that a lot of people are choosing not to buy parking spaces in our condos these days.
Many urban dwellers use public transit, but the other reason is the cost. A parking space in this building is about $40,000. Minto says it doesn't want to charge that much, but that it's the going rate.
It's just the cost of doing the excavation, digging multiple floors down into the ground, and then building a tower up. That's the cost of a parking space in a high-rise condo in Toronto these days.
Developers are finding more and more people don't want to pay $40,000 for a parking spot to live downtown. But if you buy a parking spot with an electric charger at this development, they'll throw in a free electric car.
There'll be 20 cars available for the first people who buy a condo and a parking space with a charging station. We'll be giving away 20 cars.
The free Nissan Leaf that comes with the parking space is worth about $35,000. The condos start from the low $200,000 mark. The space with an electric charger is $43,000 plus HST. Minto believes its free car perk will generate interest.
An electric vehicle is certainly a great choice for downtown living.
The catch, you only get the free car when the building is completed, which should be in 2019. The units will go on sale soon. You can register at bsidecondos.com for more information. And more condo developments are installing charging stations as more drivers make the switch to electric vehicles. The Leaf can go 135 kilometers on a single charge, but in 4 years, newer models may go even farther. On your side, I'm Pat Foran.